We saw small caps have a big recovery there. When we go and look at the sectors, we have retail was one of the strongest sectors today in terms of the core 11 sectors. It pretty much negated all of the Friday tariff news. Of course, retail, almost everything comes from China, so they were hit the hardest. And I think there was more news around that. Of course, it's recovered very quickly, right back like nothing happened. And retail is going to be very sensitive to this. You'd almost think the insiders knew 4 days in advance, big volume, that there was going to be tariff news, and probably made some pretty good money when the news hit, and or really kind of played all that. It's always interesting to see how the market moves ahead of news and positions itself for it in some cases. Now, if we go take a look at some of the other places where money's been moving, we do have the dollar up 0.2% or 0.3%. It's building another launch pad to potentially go higher. Now, typically, if chaos is about to hit the stock market and we are going to go into a bigger, more crazy type of market condition to the downside or economy, worse, like a weakening economy, the dollar usually rallies. So we saw the dollar move higher today. Gold and silver also moved higher. Let's actually go take a look at gold, up 3.25%, popping and really moving. Now, we did have the trade in just a bonus trade. This is not our long-term positions. This was just a trade to get in, make some money on it, and get out. We had this trade. It came right up, hit our measured move, and had that sharp bout of selling, which is a good sign. That means the technicals were dead on. We literally sold right at the high, then the market had a pullback. But we're in the phase, as we've talked about, this was simply a trade. This was a short-term trade, long-term investment capital in gold. I'm still long, still hold all my physical